How to remove creator account from Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove your creator account from Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to remove your creator account from Instagram, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to basically launch the Instagram application here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you'll come to your profile page over here, right? Where what you need to do is just tap the three lines option and then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, you'll be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is go to account. Now, if you have a professional account or a creator account, at the bottom you'll find the option called switch to personal account. So what you want to do is just tap on switch to personal account and then you'll be able to switch to personal account. Now in my case it is written as professional because I'm already in a personal account, but if you have creator account, when you scroll down you'll be able to find the options. This way you'll be able to actually remove your creator account from Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.